Alright, welcome again, friends. Today we are going to draw a house.
Okay.
Take your black pen, just follow daddy. Just hold on. Alright, so draw a slant line like this. That's for the roof. And another one like this. Good. See from here, go down a bit. Okay, and from here as well, come down to the same level, and then you join them together. Awesome. All right, then from here again, draw a line like this, a small line, just a little, and another one from here, off a little bit. Good, and go to the top here, and then join this to here.
Can I do see
Good.
Can I see yours you're doing?
Yeah, you can. Okay, so let's draw a door at the middle like this. Your door did not get to the bottom, but it's okay, it's fine. All right, so let's draw a window here, a little window, not too big. Okay, and then make a line, straight line at the middle, and another one to cross. That's a window. Awesome. Let's make another window here. Not too big, just small. And also draw in between like a cross. All right, so make the handle. You put it at the middle of the door. That's funny. All right, so let's draw off a chimney.
Make a chimney.
Okay, your chimney have to join the house. Yours is hanging on top. You will not join it to the house, the roof. Okay, so let's just put some smoke going out from the chimney. Smoke going out from the chimney. That's fine, that's okay.
This is some lots of smoke.
Let's draw off a road to the house.
It looks like a tree house.
It's going from there to the road. Just draw it from the door and go out. Make it 6 so I can go off and go to the end. All right, continue. Okay, let's draw a mountain.
Where? Which mountain?
Okay, and another mountain like this. Okay, and more mountains. And more mountain to the last. Okay, all right. So let's draw some trees here. From here, make the trunk of a tree. Okay, and make the base. Okay, and then join it like this.
To go like this.
Yeah.
It looks like somebody's neck.
That's funny. All right, so let's
make somebody's mouth.
Okay, let's make the tree leaves like this.
And also somebody's nose.
Okay, can you do that around the tree trunk? Go around and join it. Awesome. All right.
Are we gonna color it?
Yes, we're going to color them.
Are we going to color it in the end?
Yes, we are going to color. So here again, let's make another tree again. Make another tree here.
Oh, okay.
And also make the base. Then the leaves.
And I want to make other one. Okay.
All right, go ahead. All right, that's fine. Okay, so let's make the sun. The sun is coming out from this point. The circle. Yeah, you can make it there. That's okay.
Wait.
Yes, then give the sun rays of the sun like this. All right, that's awesome. Okay, so we are going to color. Is that okay?
Okay. Where's my color? I don't have
Which
it.
color are we using for the house?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, so get yellow.
That yellow is for the sun. Yeah, let's get pink.
Pink. Okay. Okay. So let's use pink for the house. Are you ready? Okay. Easy. We're going to color the roof different color.
Yeah.
So remember, you have to color the outline first. Get the outline.
That is what I always do.
Good. Once you get it, it's easy to color the rest.
I need to turn it this way. Now I can turn it that way.
It's okay, that's fine. If that's okay for you to do that way, it's okay. You can go ahead. So why have you not been drawing and coloring with Daddy?
Because I got a broken arm.
Wow, yeah. Oh, sorry. Summer got broken arm. Summer fell from the cushion and got a broken collarbone.
Yeah, and then we got to the hospital.
Yes, so we went to the hospital and they attached a sling on her hand.
Yeah, and I have to wear the sling for 8 days.
Yes, she wore the sling for ages, according to Summer. And that's why she has not been drawing with Daddy.
Yeah.
So friends, I know you missed Summer, but now Summer is back because her hand is better now. Is your hand still paining you?
No.
So your hand is fine now?
I'm not done.
Alright, so which color are we painting the roof?
Red.
Red. Okay, let's go ahead and use red color.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's use red to color the roof and the chimney. That's good.
But you said everywhere's going to be different colors. But why saying the chimney is going to be... I don't want to color my chimney red.
Okay, what color do you want to use for the chimney?
Maybe purple.
Purple? That's
Yeah.
fine, okay. Get purple. Let's use purple together for the chimney then.
I got my purple.
Alright, are
Sometimes
you
it
ready?
gets messy when you color.
Okay, so let's color the chimney purple.
The chimney is not too much.
It's not much, just a little. So what color do we give the door?
We can use brown.
Brown? Okay, yeah, brown for the door. Good. Alright, so color your door.
I'm not coloring it yet because
Go ahead.
this is the one I drawed.
Okay, so your hand is fine now, is that correct?
Yes.
So henceforth you are going to be drawing with Daddy, is that correct?
Yes.
And your friends are going to be seeing you once again?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you tell your friends that have been missing you all this while? Do you tell them, thank you for being with Daddy
Thank you for being with Daddy.
all this while I've been away?
All this one I'll be away.
You are copying me.
Yeah, copy me.
Alright. Yellow for what? For the sun?
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing the sun. But okay, it's okay. Let's do the sun. And then we'll go back to the house because we're yet to complete the house. The window of the house, we're yet to do the window.
Pew pew go.
Okay, so we use blue for the window of the house. Is that correct?
Yes.
Alright.
That is correct.
So let's do the window blue.
It's not too much.
Just a little.
Yeah, because it's not too big.
Yeah, the windows are not big. Are you done? Okay. Alright, so we need to use the brown also to make the way, this pathway.
Okay. It's going to take a long time.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. You can color it. It's a pathway where people walk to the house and also from the house. This is awesome. Do you like coloring?
Yeah.
You like drawing also?
Yeah.
Wow. So are you happy to be back?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, when I got a book, I really wanted to color with you.
You want to color with me?
Yeah, but you keep saying no.
Yeah, because your hand is bad.
No.
I don't want you. And you know when you went to the hospital, they said your arm need to be in the string.
But I was coloring.
Yeah, you are using your left hand, which is not your best hand. Okay. All right. So let's still use the brown to color the tree trunk. Just the trunk alone.
Yeah, because the tree is open.
Yeah, just the trunk. We use green for the tree itself. Okay, have you colored all your trunks? See, you have some tree more here. I've done all mine. Okay. Are you done? Alright, so here we are going to color the grasses.
This one or this one?
Yeah, let's use this one. Let's color the grass. Let's make some grasses here.
I'm making some grasses here.
Let's make some grasses. Let's color here, like here.
This is grass.
This is the part of the house here.
Grass.
This is the part of the house.
Grass.
Okay, so you have to give them a blue color, a green color, I mean.
Everywhere. Does everywhere have grass?
Yeah, they have grasses. They have green.
Everywhere has to be green.
Yeah, everywhere has to be green.
I'm coloring the. Can I color up here?
No, don't color there yet. It's a mountain.
But mountains are just white.
Yes, no, mountain will still be green, but just wait. We'll still color it more green. Okay, it's alright. So let's take the red to add some red dots. You can make some red dots.
And some more different colors.
Yes, this is flowers. And flowers. You can make some circles and make it. Yeah. So we'll have some.
And by the trees.
No, don't make on the tree yet. Okay. Alright, so can we use...
Everywhere, spot.
Okay, that's nice. Alright, so
That
let's
can do
also...
My house looks beautiful.
Let's also color the tree with the dark green. Is it? Okay. Wow, your house is going to be so fine with the trees around it, the mountains. It's going to be so cool to live in this house.
I wasn't living in this house. You colored.
You're living in it?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you done coloring all?
Huh?
All your trees?
Yeah, this one, this one, this one.
Wow. That's awesome. Alright, so Daddy is still coloring his own tree. You're so fast.
Now
Or is it because your tree is not too big? These are green. Let's still take this green up. With green, let's color the mountainside. The mountaintop.
What about the sides of the tree?
Yeah, let's go to the sides of it. All of them. Easy.
The mountains are too much.
Yes, you have a lot of mountains.
But how can we do them with all? How can we do all these mountains so just one day?
One day? Is it much? Alright, are you enjoying it?
Yeah, everywhere is gonna be green, 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 green.
Yeah.
The whole place is gonna be green.
Yes, everywhere is going to be green. Green color everywhere.
My hand is tired.
Your hands. Sorry, we have a lot to color.
Yeah, today. You have a lot to color today.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm
So
ready.
fast.
Yes.
I'm still doing mine. Try to cover all white spaces as much as you can.
But I can't.
Try.
But I can't.
You're covering my work. Shift your work a bit.
Yes.
Wow. The mountain is so fine.
Good. It's good. Good. Mountains.
Yeah. This is so fine.
I'm all done.
You're done?
Yes.
Did you cover all white spaces?
Daddy.
No, on the mountain. I mean, the mountain.
Nope. Okay.
So you want to color the chimney, the smoke from the chimney.
Yes.
Okay, that's black. Awesome. Let me use black.
I'm
too.
already done.
You're done. Wow.
I'm so fast.
So fast. Wow, this is so nice. Some and Daddy have done this. It's so fun. Wow. This is awesome. Alright friends, thank you so much for joining along with us. Soma, what do you say?
Bye bye.
Bye bye and subscribe to our channel.
Bye bye.
See you in our next video. Bye.